AMG got a manual.
He doesn't like my affection for Mercedes.
Yeah. See, we never talk about that.
We don't talk about it. Yeah.
Goddamn trader right here. Oh, you trading this for a GTS?
Yup. Y'all seen this?
We got Mo with the S63 Q with the Maserati coupe. And the greatest all-time M5 right there.
My resonators are coming off now that I hear that. Yeah.
Which one's your favorite?
Yeah, good. Well, long time no see, baby. Because we don't plug the battery and close the trunk. Oh my god, bro.
That's crazy.
Sick, right? Look at that. Look at that. Even the stitching, down to the stitching.
So what we're doing today is we're taking this steering wheel and we're going to install it on Q's Maserati coupe. As you can see, we got the Alcantara on the sides, blue stitching, the white carbon fiber, and the blue racing line in the middle.
Got it, bro. They don't make it like this. Even the dealer doesn't do it. I'm telling you,
So there goes the old steering wheel right there. Jason doing his magic.
They'll go right on? Or? The battle shifters don't connect to the steering wheel. Really?
Make sure you follow Live and Lavish IG. See more of this Maserati.
The airbag did not pop, thank God. I know you in the comments hoping that it did, but it did not. Plot twist.
So as Jason was installing the steering wheel, we pretty much need to go to the store and get some bolts. So we're gonna take the S63 AMG right here. I call this seat. Many memories in this car.
Spaceship.
That's crazy. All right, Mo, where we going?
So guys,
AMG lounge.
this is a spaceship we're in that NASA has developed for Mo. Bro, it's so big.
Yeah, man.
It's roomy as. Oh, chill, Mo, chill. We got a real short corner right here.
I got good brakes.
Bro, yeah, he does though.
Left? Yeah, I wanted that. Like, you know, all of that.
Quilted dash. You know? AMG to the death of us.
Nah, you gotta stop, bro.
Oh shit.
We already know which one's better, man.
Yeah, I know. AMG.
This is luxury.
Yeah.
Beemer's performance. You know, this is what it is. What it is.
Just like you said in your video. Yeah, it's different. You know, you can't.
It can't get Audi. You can't get Audi, guys.
You can't. I bought a brand new and.
But the interiors for the Audis are beautiful too, man.
No, honest, not the one I had. I had 2014 RS5.
The new ones, they have like the Lambo seats and like
yeah.
Like
they're nice.
The hexagon leather. Hexagon's
but
their favorite.
They're still Audis though.
Yeah, they're still one step above Volkswagen.
Yeah, and you know, anybody that sits up front is a peasant, to be honest with you.
I mean, y'all see the lights behind the headrest and stuff?
Man.
I don't know if you see back there.
I could fall asleep back here but not with the way Mo's driving.
Honestly, you still could though. Like it's still
right.
pillow because you just can push them to the pillow.
About to hit up Home Depot in the AMG.
Just pulled up at the Home Depot. Man, the Merc is looking murdered.
The 10 one is the one that goes missing. You could buy 10 of those. You get
The legendary 10
millimeter. Yeah.
We got the sockets and where'd Mo go?
Where's he at? Even the driver want to sit in the back, bro.
Where Mo at?
Sir, get out of my AMG, please. Pull it up front.
I'm so tired. I was about to go to sleep.
What
It was
the?
like that. We're in executive mode right now.
Going to a press conference, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, you know these mats? I ordered some for the Mazda.
Yeah. See, I wanted these that say AMG on the mats. In the front, they say AMG.
Now we're back in the garage. The boy's going to work.
The guts of the steering wheel, that's gonna be the challenge, right? That's the easy part, that's the fun part. For real. We're gonna take these buttons, put them on the new one. Because it didn't come with buttons. But yeah, should be fun.
Dope, man.
See,
Old versus new.
Beemer Fam is education.
This too, be like, hey, here's
man.
the
Oh
M4.
man, proper carbon right there.
Play the sad music, cue the sad music. You got the plain Jane over here.
Carbon though.
And you got the new improved Hi Felicia. They're good. You put the washer on there, right? Oh! Damn!
Man.
Damn, bro. You look.
Oh man. Dude, that's beautiful, bro.
That's epic, right?
It matches the factory carbon fiber as well.
Bro, the dealer doesn't have this. I'm telling you, they don't.
He doesn't like my affection for Mercedes. but
See, we
it's
never talk
there.
about that.
We don't talk about it. It's just-
What you think, Shenell?
this is insane. This is the coolest one I've ever been in by far.
Yeah, you see the lights back here and
I feel
stuff.
so. Yeah, no, I'm looking like this is.
Now put your head back though.
Let me just feel. Oh my god.
Let me close the shades.
This is so cool.
You can press that button on that over there.
It's like a full-blown experience here.
Oh, you got a remote too.
Oh my god! Look at Trace. What? This is much better in person.
The massage in there somewhere.
Yeah.
Gotta
And
go
the
for
seat
massage.
settings.
Does it feel big when you're driving it?
No.
Not really, no. He drove it, and I'm used to it, kind of.
Yeah,
That's why. So.
But see, that's important too.
Yeah,
Does
but you
it
get
feel like
used to
your
it.
size car?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a bit bigger than that.
Okay.
To me, it feels like an E-Class
Yeah, almost
Okay.
like
when driving.
same. Yep.
So I can
Okay.
fly.
Just hold on to it.
I'll hold it.
It'll take a minute, but like footrest will drop too.
Isn't that crazy?
I feel. Oh my god.
It's gonna go even more.
You see
You
this?
hold on to it, yeah. Keep holding on to it.
Oh wow! Oh, it's. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
it's gonna go even further. Like your seat is gonna go up too a little bit.
Oh my god. It's like Transformers.
You see the Burmester speaker up here as well?
Oh shit! No, I didn't even see that. Oh my god.
Maybe
a
you want to move
full-blown
your.
recliner.
Yeah.
What? I could nap. Oh my god! Like long distance road trips, this would be amazing.
We gotta hire Mo.
You know what I'm saying? The
I'm sure he'd be
long-distance
down.
road trips. Oh my god, Eric! I would. Just neck pillow. I would be so sad. Man.
I think she's converting to AMG as well.
Honestly,
Stop! Don't play with me.
W need a.
Oh, my boy's switching up. Now you?
Doesn't your dad 7 have like similar?
Yeah, that's the thing. The M760, I guess, is the closest competitor to this.
Okay.
So.
Does it have massages in the seat?
Yeah, my dad's car has a massage.
Not in the back.
It's 750.
In the back.
You can option it in the back as well. Yeah. Yeah. It just sucks like Mercedes. Oh, you gave me a massage. You give me a massage. See if you go to the right side. Hold on, give me a massage too.
This is better than flying.
Mm-hmm. Literally. like the way he drives, like he can places quick, but it's like not scary at all.
This is so much better than flying. I wouldn't fly. I wouldn't need to fly. I would just.
That's something else.
Pretty sick. Pretty nice.
So we got the M5 S-Class S63 Merc, and we got the Lavish Mobile looking strong. So now it's time to get some lunch, get some food in the system, and just go from there. Look at them tires, nice and thick. So now we're in the M5, cruising with the S63 AMG. Like I said, we're getting some lunch. Probably chose the worst time of day to actually come out, 'cause it's like rush hour and stuff. So Gabe and the Mazda, he already took off. I guess we're gonna play catch up. I know this man loving that steering wheel. About 1, 2, 3, which one you taking? Let me know in the comments.
You guys want to get outside or what?
I'm down. Just finished up with, I guess, dinner. Everybody's about to split ways. We're gonna check the cars out one last time. Man, Q got that steering wheel all installed properly. You see the white carbon fiber peeking out right there. So if you guys want to see more on this Maserati, check out his Instagram at livinlavishig. He'll be posting a lot of videos and stuff. Hit that like button if you enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button as well. We'll be posting more content like this to see more BMW, Maserati, AMG kind of content. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. We gotta get the steering wheel one last time for the subscribers.
For the one time coming.
Jeez, man. Congrats.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. You know, hard work today, man. All Justin, you know, or Jason, man.
All Justin.
Hey, who's this? Who's man?
Hey, he bought a GLE. No one know who he is now.
I don't know, man. I know my friend Jason.
All right, bro.
Apples and oranges, babe.
A lot of you guys like to argue about which one's better, AMG or M. They're two different things, man. We talked about this before. Performance is BMW, luxury is Mercedes, man. So if you can't be asking which one's better, maybe which one's better for a certain taste, but they both do what they do great. You know what I mean? Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
And then you got Q, the oddball, the Maserati.
Thanks, sexy, still sexy though.
I mean, all I gotta say, can a AMG do this? What AMG got a manual?